I am Makbul Faik, teacher, BMS Badgun Zone Mawar, and you are watching Mathematics class 8th. Today we will discuss a bar graph. It is on page 74. Bar graph is a display of information using bars of uniform width, their heights being proportional to the respective values. Bar heights give the quantity for each category. Bars are of equal width with equal gaps in between. Dear students, look at this bar graph and study the information given by it. Here it is number of students in class 8th. It is range 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 and above. And here it is the year 2000, academic year 2003 4, 2004 5, 2005 6, 2006 7, 2007 8. So here we can study it in academic year 2003 4. There were the number of students 100. So we will study here this 100. We will observe the height of this bar. Height of this bar touches the number 100. That means the number of students in class 8th in the year 2003 4 is 100. Similarly, in the year 2004 5 is, here we can say the height is at 200. So the number of students in class 8th during the session 2004 5 is 200. Similarly, if we see here in the session 2007 8, we will go here and observe the height. It is 350. So this is the information given by this bar graph. Now there are some questions. We can answer them accordingly. The first part is, what is the information given by the bar graph? So we can say the information given by this bar graph is this, that the number of students in class 8th in different years 2003 to 2008. The second part is, in which year is the increase in the number of students maximum? That can be seen here, where the height is maximum, that is the year 2007 8, and the height is 350. So the maximum admission can be said is in 2007 8, and that is 350. Third part is, state whether true or false. The statement is, the number of students during 2005 6 is twice that of 2003 4. So that can be seen here in the graph. In year 2005 6, the height goes 250, and in the year 2003 4, the height goes to 100. Since 100 is not half of 250, or 250 is not twice the 100, so the statement here is false, which was saying that the number of students in 2005 6, which is 250, is twice that of 2003 4, which is 100. Dear students, open your book at home and read this till your maximum satisfaction. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.